Welcome. This is fixing the fire ring. We'll have to kind of go through this relatively quickly. I only have a little bit of video of this. So we put an air tube in the bottom left-hand corner. You can see a brick that's turned sideways that's open. Put a steel tube from there all the way inside the center of the fire pit. Lined it with steel barrel, and covered the outside in cement. Was going to leave the top with just some gravel in there, because as you can see, it doesn't look bad, but to me, it didn't look finished. So we mixed up some more cement, and I got to getting that all laid out. I wanted to make the fire pit as nice as I could make it. And a lot of people may say, well, it's in the backyard, who cares what it looks like? Well, for 2 years, we had it like the picture was in the beginning, with just the landscaping brick around the fire brick. But as you have fire in there, and we burn our papers, I don't believe in just throwing burnables in the dump. To me, that's not cool. And I don't want to just do it in a barrel. I want to be able to have a fire pit that I could cook on if I wanted. So that's when we decided that it's important to mix up the cement, and we just the bag and water. I made it a little extra liquidy. I'm not an expert with cement, so I put water and cement and put it on what I'm working on. And that's how we did it here. You can see I am not a professional cement guy. I just know how to shovel it out of a wheelbarrow and put it on your work. And I spent, it took me about probably 20 minutes to get it all nice and laid out the way I wanted it, and make it as smooth as possible. This fire pit came out really nice. As you can see, when I put the barrel in there, I left the barrel about 1 inch high, so that way nothing would fall down in. Originally, that was done just to keep stuff from falling down in. But when I went and did the cement, I realized that, hey, I'm kind of glad I did that, because that really worked that way. And it came out gorgeous in the end. I'm very happy with the final result. I went around the outside again and put it in there, put a little more cement on the outside. I'm not very good at doing vertical cement, so I had to do it twice to make it the way I wanted it. And it came out really good. So I appreciate you guys checking out this video. Looking back on it, it was 2 years ago when I did this. The fire pit's still in excellent shape. I got a picture at the end of this video. I think you'll like how it all came out once we got it all cleaned up and the grass grew back in and everything. It worked. It ended up being a wonderful project. Thank you.